Thank you. So, hello friends, my name is Somesh Navle. So, I'm talking about the restaurant point. So, first of all, occupancy. In occupancy, basically in restaurant, generally 100% occupancy is not there. So, we are taking the average of that, like 60%, 75%. But we are a new restaurant, so we are considering the 65% of occupancy. So, occupancy means in per square meter, per square foot, how many people will sit. Generally, a single man can take the 12 to 15 square feet, and if there is a family dining table, then it take the 18 to 20 square foot for per person. And out of 100%, we are taking the 60%. So second point is the appetizing menu. In appetizing menu, basically variety of menu. So our restaurant provide the Marathi, North Indian, South Indian, Italian, Chinese, French, lots of varieties are there. First, our strong first impression is last impression. Generally, we provide lots of discounts and free words onto the menu and in the marketing as well, because our Indian psychology is there. If there is a free words, then all of means including me, all of us attract onto that free words and discounts. So we are using that one. We are basically analyzing the pattern, means the type of the customer, the targeted, like adult, old age, like we are analyzing always. In that means which menu are feasible for our restaurant. Then emphasize the certain menu, means there is always 80-20 rule, means 20% food always give us the 80% revenue. So we are targeting into that. Means 20% menu we are focusing on to that the mostly. So color to influence people, basically we are providing the different kinds of the shadows with the like a green. It's shows us the peace, like a white, calmness. These are the colors we are different kinds of the color we are using in the hotels, restaurant. And the descriptive descriptive language. Generally, you can see in the restaurant very short and precise things are mentioned onto that menu card. But there is a problem. The customer, let's say from the village or the very rural background, it's not understanding into that particular precise word. We are elaborating that menu and showcasing their own language. Then is a feel good for the old family. You can consider that the old people are basically from the it's not our generation, means they need to like a feel good. For that we are specifically creating the compartment, or for their customization we are modifying our the requirement as well for the different generation. Uses freeze and discount word, I already said that. Suppliers and vendors. The third point is the supplier and vendor. In that supplier our farmer, direct manufacturer, and a vendor, basically Zomato, Swiggy. These guys we are typing for the online food delivery. In supplier, first of all, the farmer, every supplier we are maintaining the three different kinds of the suppliers. And vendor also, we have different vendor for, let's say we are purchasing the goods and services. For that we are always creating the buffer of the three different vendors and three different suppliers. If any emergency situation happen, in that situation we are generally we have backup plan for that. Means we can call to the another vendor or another supplier. Like any event happen, Holi or Diwali, like that we let's say get the more requirement, or the restaurant is full. In that situation we are outsourcing the event management company or the other restaurant people to fulfill that need. Okay. Basically in the selecting vendors, in the supplier there are the steps we need to follow. First of all, selecting the vendors. For vendor we need to first of all check that the background of the vendors. Also same in the supplier as well, we need to do the contract between the vendors and the restaurant. Basically, our company. In between that, there is a contract itself, and there is a management. HR will manage that vendor and supplier to monitor the vendors performance, means how the vendors are providing that particular goods, its quality, then means that are up to the standard or not. We are always checking and monitoring that. We always monitor the risk factor and the payment as well. In the supplier, there is accountability, production, expertise, and communication. This point we need to take into the mind while making the agreement to purchase or the sales to the vendors as well as suppliers. The next point is the soft opening. In soft opening, you all know that whenever there is any restaurant or as well as any new shop opening, in that there is always celebrity or the people that have achieved in their life always come, means they are invited to for hosting that particular shop or the restaurant. We are inviting the Vitthal Kamath. He is a well-known hotel chain, basically Kamath Hotel Group's industrialist, and he is a executive chairman and MD of the Kamath Hotel Groups. He is a well-known Marathi personality, and it will helpful for us to connect the Marathi audience. We are starting from the Nashik. Basically, our community is also Marathi. It will directly attract to that. Why it is important to connect the audience? And in the demand is basically in while doing any business, there is always demand and supply. There is a concept of demand and supply. In that, what audience want or what customer want from us, and how we can fulfill that requirement. In that, basically we are focusing on the new technology or new things that are not into our existing market, like cloud kitchen. It is a new concept. Green kitchen. We use the social media, online platform. Also, we cold email to the loyal customer to again gain the retention. Then there is a customized option. Means already said that let's say any person want something customized, like तीखा चाहिए, मीठा चाहिए, या कुछ ये चाहिए, तो we are always open to that to provide or fulfill that. Then is we are integrating the automation. In technology, I will discuss that. But every restaurant, means the research say that 80 to 90% restaurants are going to the online because they want the more customer. In the last point, technology. In that, first of all, the online existence, it's must for every restaurant if the restaurant want to survive. The second one is the customized menu. According to the customer, we will customize the menu. We are planning to include the cloud kitchen, already said, using the sensors, Arduino Uno, to maintain the safety, hygiene and quality of product. It's basically very less restaurant in the India that creating such type of technology or inbuilding this technology. But if you go into the USA, England or the America, Europe, there are the lots of restaurants are doing the same things. We are transferring that technology into our restaurant. Serve the hot food in a quick time. It's the very new concept. Means you are getting the quick fast food. Okay. Then automatic temperature checker for food. We are checking the temperature of that particular food that are it's good for our body by using the technology. Check the fresh foods and vegetables by using a technology. We are checking, like there are the different sensors and the technology we are using. And in last, we are using the website billing software and CCTV cameras to monitor the things. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Anusha.